Hello children, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yes, it is Christmas time and today I have got an activity for you, an art and craft activity which is based on Christmas. So you know what are we going to make? It is a Santa's cap. Yes. So for this I have kept some ice cream sticks ready here and cotton, and I have red color paint and a fairy stick. So this is all we need, children. And so I have painted this ice cream stick with the red color paint and made a triangle like this. So all you need to do is you can take an ice cream stick, paint it with red color paint and then stick it like this in a triangle shape. And if you don't have an ice cream stick, you can take red chart paper, so you don't need to worry. So children, we are going to make a cap with this. And now we will take these cotton balls which I have kept ready and stick on this line below. So I will show you. Yes. Put some fairy stick. Or Fevicol, whatever you have. You can use glue and stick these cotton balls like this. We have to complete this line and one ball on the top. So here it is ready, and then I can show you how does it look. So children, this is our Santa cap, and I've taken a piece of thread like this and tied it behind or stuck. You can even stick it. So this is how a Santa cap looks. Isn't it easy? And you can hang it on your Christmas tree also. Thank you children. Merry Christmas.